Ladies and gentlemen, imagine standing on the edge of Denmark, where sheer white cliffs plunge into the turquoise Baltic Sea. Beneath your feet lies chalk that was formed 70 million years ago, when dinosaurs still roamed the earth. And yet, just a few steps inland, tiny wild orchids bloom, and rare butterflies dance through the meadows. This is Mons Klint, a landscape where deep time and delicate life meet, and in July 2025, it was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Now, why is Mons Klint so special? It's not just the breathtaking cliffs. These cliffs tell a story written in chalk, a record of Earth's ice age history, twisted and folded by glaciers. They are like an open textbook of geology. But just as important is what grows above them, the limestone meadows of Høje Mon, home to rare orchids, butterflies, and insects you won't find anywhere else in Denmark. One of the stars here is the large blue butterfly, sometimes called the black-spotted blue. It's tiny, it's beautiful, and it's incredibly demanding. It can only survive if the right plants, the right ants, and the right meadow conditions all come together. Protecting this butterfly is like protecting the soul of Mons Klint. And that's where the EU Life Orchids project comes in. It's a big effort to restore these meadows, bringing back grazing animals, cutting back invasive scrub, and reconnecting habitats that had become fragmented. The goal? To give orchids, butterflies, and all the other specialist species a fighting chance. To help explain this to the public, Geocenter Mons Klint, the Nature and Science Center perched right by the cliffs, opened a fascinating exhibition, Everything is Connected, Biodiversity on Høje Mon. And it really is all connected. The geology shapes the soil shapes the habitat shapes the species. And, of course, humans shape it all with how we choose to manage the land. And here's where the story takes a royal turn. In September 2025, Queen Mary and Queen Margrethe visited Mons Klint. They toured the exhibition, joined a guided hike, and even got their hands dirty. At Stengarden, they planted Marian, a nectar plant that helps sustain the large blue butterfly. Now, this wasn't just a symbolic act. Royal attention shines a spotlight. When people see the Queen and the former Queen out there, walking the meadows, talking about orchids and butterflies, it sends a powerful message: this place matters. It's worth remembering too that Queen Margrethe has been patron of Geocenter Mons Klint for years. She's seen this project grow from an idea into a world-recognized heritage site. So, what does all this mean for the future? UNESCO status is not just an honor. It's a responsibility. It means protecting the cliffs, the meadows, and the species for generations to come. It means balancing tourism with conservation. And it means each of us, whether we're locals, landowners, or simply visitors, has a role to play. Because Mons Klint is more than a beautiful cliff. It's a story of deep time written in stone. It's a living classroom where orchids and butterflies remind us how fragile life can be. And thanks to scientists, conservationists, and yes, even the queens of Denmark, it now stands as a shining symbol of how nature, culture, and history are all connected. So the next time you walk those cliffs, or wander a wildflower meadow, remember this: protecting Mons Klint isn't just about saving a landscape. It's about keeping a living masterpiece alive. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.